Hello, everybody. Picasso also says hello. My name is Monisi, and welcome to an episode of Monisi Bakes. So I realized it's been a long time since I've filmed a baking video. Today we are going to be making a lemon poppy seed cake. Also, if you hear whistling, speaking in the background, there's little I can do about it. It is our bird, Picasso. He just really likes to stalk. I hope you guys stay and stick around to learn how to make this delicious lemon poppy seed recipe. After preheating the oven 350 degrees, you grease a loaf pan and line it with a strip of parchment paper, leaving an overhang on two sides to lift out the cake. In a small bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, lemon zest, and salt, and then set it aside. So I melted the butter, even though it calls for softened. This is the life of someone that is impatient. Maybe don't do this, but I mean, I've melted butter in recipes before that just asked for softened, and it turned out great, so. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and sugar together at medium-high speed until it's pale and fluffy, about 4 minutes. You can scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. With a mixer running on low speed, you can add the eggs one at a time and then beat in the vanilla extract and lemon juice until it's all combined. With the mixer on low, add about 1/3 of the flour mixture and mix until almost combined. Then add half of the buttermilk and mix until just combined. Repeat with another 1/3 of flour mixture and then the last half of the buttermilk, ending with the last 1/3 of the flour. Beat until just incorporated, add poppy seeds and fold in with the spatula. Look how beautiful that batter turned out. So the next step is pouring the batter into the prepared pan, and then when you're done doing that, you pop it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes until the cake is golden brown. Make sure you put a toothpick inside and it comes out clean. So we have 11 minutes left until the lemon poppy seed cake is done. I'm really excited to try it. I'm gonna make some afternoon coffee and try it with you guys to see what it tastes like. As I wait, I can kind of chat with you guys about this weekend. We are celebrating 7 years of marriage, which is so crazy. I feel like the years flew by so fast that it's hard to believe that it's been 7 years that we've been married, and we've just been through a lot with like living in a basement for 6 of those years. So I mean, I know I count those years as a blessing because we learned so much, but I'm so excited to kind of get out of town with him and have a little anniversary getaway. He's coughing now. Yeah, he's imitating my dad on the phone. cool. For the lemon syrup, you're going to want 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So I'm about to make myself some coffee, and I wanted to talk to you about this new coffee that I am loving. My whole family is actually loving it. We have that coffee maker where it's like half carafe, half Keurig, and we have been using Black Rifle Coffee Company, and I'm just going to show you. So this is what it's called, Black Rifle Coffee Company, and we usually like to get medium roast, but I just really think it tastes amazing. And the most awesome thing is a portion of our profits go to veteran, law enforcement, fire, and first responder causes, which I think is amazing. If you read on, it says an estimated 40 million individuals have served in the United States Armed Forces since the Civil War. Fewer than 4,000 have received the Medal of Honor, our country's highest recognition for valor in combat. The National Medal of Honor Museum, Monument, and Institute are preserving the stories of these great heroes and uniting America behind the shared values the Medal of Honor represents: courage and sacrifice, commitment and integrity, citizenship and patriotism. So, yeah, if you are interested, definitely check out their website. And I just got this at Meijer. And as you can tell, I think we've had this for maybe 2 weeks. And we have 3 left. So I'm gonna make some. The cake is out of the oven and looks so delicious. After about 10 minutes, you can take the cake outside of the pan and put it on another plate, and then you can start adding the lemon syrup that you just made. And now it's time to make the lemon icing. This recipe was so good. So you have to sift 1 cup of powdered sugar, and then you add 3 teaspoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which I think I added more lemon juice. The more lemon the better, in my opinion. And this was delicious, and I can't wait to use this recipe for other desserts. As always, I will leave the recipe that I used in the description box for anyone that's interested in trying it. Okay, I already had a little bite because I couldn't help it. I was excited, but this is so good. It's very moist. Lemon syrup really helps, I think, to bring out that refreshing lemon taste, and then the icing is phenomenal. It's not overpowering. If you don't like lemon, maybe don't make this, but if you know someone that does and you want to make them like a little gift, homemade gift or something, I totally recommend doing this, making this for someone you love. It is so good, and especially with some coffee in the afternoon, if you're having like a tea party or something, this is a good recipe for that. So it's so beautiful. If you want to dress it up, you can even put some edible flowers on it, or yeah, any of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, let me know what you thought of this dessert. If you made it, let me know. It is phenomenal, like I said. Let me know if you like this type of video. I personally love baking. It's like different from my DIY projects, but this is also something I really enjoy, love to share recipes. So yeah, let me know if you like it. If you guys have any suggestions on videos that you would like to see in the future on my channel, comment down below. Maybe if you would like to see a Brazilian recipe. I know I made coxinhas before, but since my aunt is here from Brazil, maybe she can teach me how to make something, a Brazilian recipe or something. So thank you again, and I hope to see you next time.